Hi. Today I am going to share the impact of tourism on uh, local community. We all know about the tourism. There are different culture. These are globing area. We can simply say that tourism. When I am thinking about the impact of tourism has both positive and negative impact on local communities. On the one hand, it creates job opportunities and improves local business. As a result, many people enjoy a better standard of living. On the other hand, tourism increases the pollution and raises the cost of living. In addition, local culture and tradition slowly change because of the others' influences there. So, communities should promote responsible tourism so that the economic growth and cultural values can exist together. Thank you.